Hello everyone, this is a tutorial on how to create the center shaft gear. This gear will attach to the center shaft and provide torque to the upper portion of the hand crank centrifuge. Begin by creating a new assembly. I've already done so. Enable your SOLIDWORKS toolbox. Go over to the design library. We would like to begin by going to ISO, go to power transmission, go to gears, and today we'll be selecting a straight emitter gear. Pull that into your workspace. Now, these are already the configurations that we will be using, so take a look and copy these. We'll have a module of 4, 24 teeth, a pressure angle of 14.5, a face width of 12, and we'll be changing the hub diameter and the mounting distance to both 40. The nominal shaft diameter will be 25. There will be no keyway, and we will show all our teeth. Now make sure to copy these configurations and you'll be left with a gear as shown, and make sure to click confirm. There you have it. Now this is the center shaft gear that will provide torque to the rest of the upper portion of our hand crank centrifuge.